So we are going to unbox this wireless keyboard from Acer. It's a multi-device wireless keyboard which works on 2.5 gigahertz wireless band, and it also works on along with the Bluetooth. Okay, so if you want to connect to multiple devices, you can connect to one device with the wireless and the another device with the Bluetooth. Okay, so I was looking for a nice wireless keyboard for my setup. So I came across this the Acer keyboard. I didn't expect that Acer can come up with this kind of a nice keyboard. I will open it and show you how good it looks, and we have to see how it feels also. So coming to the specs of the keyboard, if you see, so this is the layout of the keyboard. You can see here. Okay, so let's open this. So let's open this and see what we have. So here we have the keyboard. So this is the user manual. So you can see here it says it's a dual mode keyboard which can connect on both wireless and Bluetooth technology. And the reason why I got this keyboard was it's advertised as, it said that it's a curved ergonomic keyboard. Okay, so and it's a transparent keyboard with a nice finish on it. So that's what I felt. Okay, I can try this out. Okay, so these are the shortcuts which are in the key. It's good that they have given a nice user manual how to use this keyboard, because there are many keyboards out there which are having very good function, but I saw them not having the user manual. So it's good that they have given this user manual, so you can go through these shortcuts on the keyboard layout, and how to pair it. They have given instruction on how to pair it using the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth multiple devices. Okay, and then we have the keyboard itself. There is nothing much in the box, so it's nicely packed. So you can see the keyboard. It actually feels little little heavy than the other Wi-Fi keyboards in the market. So let's take it out. So you can see it's it's based on glass. I think it's just a keyboard which is inserted in some type of glass. You can see the glass finish. It looks little premium. I think this is actually not glass. This is some kind of acrylic. So you can see the charging port here. This does not run on batteries. This is a rechargeable keyboard. Okay, so you can charge using this USB-C port, and you can see the curved layout. You can see the curved feature of the keyboard. So this surface, it is not flat. It is in a sense a little curved, which might give you some kind of ergonomic comfort. Okay, so if you see, these are the keys. The keys feel good. The keys feel good and soft. Okay, they are not really silent, but the keys are soft. Okay, the touch is soft, and you have other functions along with your function keys. The regular brightness adjustment, the sound level adjustments. All these things are there. But if you see, it is a keyboard which is inserted in the the acrylic to give that glass kind of feeling. So it looks good. I think because of the acrylic glass, it feels little heavy, I think. But you can see the curvature here. Okay, so it is little curved on the surface, and you can also see the the charging level, whether it is on or off, whether it is locked, whether Bluetooth is on. So regular indicators. Okay, so it feels good. Have to try it out, and see. You can see the buttons here. You can use through the Wi-Fi option, or you can connect to Bluetooth devices using you can connect to 3 multiple Bluetooth devices. But the catch here is you can use any one of them. You cannot be using 2 devices at any given point of time. You can use only one device at one point of time. Okay, so this is how the keyboard looks. So keys are not really silent, but they are little soft, and it's all right. I think it's good enough to use. And what else we have? This is the regular stuff. This is the regular stuff. You have the USB dongle, and you have the charging cable. So you have the regular stuff. You have the USB dongle, and you also have the charging cable. Okay, so not much. So that's all in the package. So we have to use it and see how it turns out. Okay.